Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by measuring and warming ingredients slightly so they combine smoothly. This prevents separation. Start with 1 cup mayonnaise in a bowl, add 1/4 cup olive oil slowly while whisking to thin and create structure. The oil adds silk and mouthfeel. Next, smash 2 cloves garlic into paste and add 2 tablespoons lemon juice plus 1 tsp Dijon. These introduce acidity and emulsifiers. Once done, whisk continuously to build a stable base that holds the dressing together. Now you deepen flavor and tune texture. Add 2 tablespoons grated Parmesan for umami and body. If you want a classic anchovy note, mix in 1 teaspoon Worcestershire or anchovy paste. This boosts savory complexity without fishiness if used sparingly. Taste, then thin with 1 to 2 tablespoons water for a lighter pourable consistency or a touch more olive oil for richness. Make sure to whisk between additions so you can assess how each change shifts balance and mouthfeel. To finish, fold in 1 tablespoon fresh Parmesan for texture, then toss with crisp romaine so leaves stay coated. Serve right away or refrigerate up to 3 days. Make sure to bring the dressing to room temperature and whisk briefly before serving to restore creaminess. If the dressing separates, don't panic. Re-emulsify by whisking in 1 teaspoon mustard or a few drops of warm water while whisking vigorously. This reintroduces an emulsifier and brings the mixture back together quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.